Did you know that small daily habits can have a bigger impact on your health than extreme diets and intense workouts? The truth is, small daily habits can make a huge difference in how you feel, how much energy you have, and even how long you live. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 simple habits that can help you build a healthier lifestyle naturally. And the best part? Anyone can start these today. The first habit is start your day with water. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body wakes up slightly dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water in the morning helps kickstart your metabolism, supports digestion, and helps your body flush out toxins. For an extra boost, you can add a squeeze of fresh lemon. This provides vitamin C and can help support your immune system. Just 1 glass of water each morning can set a healthy tone for the entire day. The second habit is move your body daily. You don't need an intense workout to stay healthy. Even 20 to 30 minutes of movement a day can improve heart health, strengthen muscles, and boost your mood. This could be a brisk walk or yoga. Regular movement also releases endorphins, often called feel-good hormones, which help reduce stress and improve mental health. Habit number 3 is eat whole natural foods whenever possible. Try to fill your plate with foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support digestion, energy levels, and overall wellness. A simple rule to remember is the less processed the food is, the better it usually is for your body. The fourth habit is getting enough quality sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, balances hormones, and restores energy. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to improve sleep quality. Avoid screens before bed. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. Try going to bed at the same time every night. Better sleep leads to better focus, stronger immunity, and improved mood. The fifth and final habit is managing stress through mindfulness. Chronic stress can negatively affect both physical and mental health. Taking just 5 to 10 minutes a day to relax can make a big difference. You could try deep breathing, meditation, spending time in nature. These small moments of calm help reset your mind and support overall well-being. Living a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated. By simply creating powerful habits that support long-term health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to live a healthier life. And remember, small habits practiced daily lead to big results.